Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Scarters extended mousepad. This is a mousepad slash desk mat. I mean, it can be used as a desk mat as well. There is surprisingly very little information on this box except some manufacturer information on this side of the box and some more information which is right now obscured by the sticker over here. So let's just open this box and see what the mousepad actually looks like. And here we are. This is the underside of the mousepad. There's also a strap that comes with it. It has "Stay Unique" written on it. Nice touch. And this is the underside. This entire mousepad has okay, it can be used both ways. It's really large, so large in fact that it's not it's not fitting in the frame. It's much larger than the frame itself. It has a nice rugged texture here, as you can see. So this side is dark blue. The other side has a dark yellow tone, so you can use both the sides. You can use it as this side for the dark gray tone, or you can use it this side for the dark yellow tone. So the idea is that you spread it over your desk like so, and then put the other components of your desk, maybe your keyboard or a mouse even, or if you have a laptop, you can bring in a laptop here as well and then continue to work. And like as I mentioned earlier, it also comes with this particular belt. So I think the idea here is that you will be roll this one up like so. Let me just do it. There you go. And the belt is in, and that's it. You can now carry it away. You can see the Scarter logo over here as well. There's a Scarter logo on the underside as well. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Scarters extended mousepad and desk mat. Thank you for watching.